Hey, welcome back. Good morning to everyone, except for those of you that it's nighttime for. Welcome to the pasture, my backyard. I have a couple of jobs I want to do. Oh, look, if you guys want to see a deer in the wild, John Deere, Excavator, 210. It's really cold out here. I'm going to start this puppy, let it warm up, and then we're going to continue hiking down the pasture to get my skid steer, Bobcat skid steer, which I left down there to maintain the track. I want to bring it home before it gets really cold or really snowy. Then we'll climb back into this thing and start tearing out cedar trees, which are an actual weed in this pasture. I'll get out of the wind and explain more to you guys. So you want to see some machinery operated, you got to let me know in the comments. Good morning, puppies. Oh, baby. I just want to say that I'm super glad that this machine has a cab on it with a heater. I'll maybe run through some of the controls. And this is something fun and exciting that I would like to do or just watch, is somebody operating large equipment like this. I grew up admiring large equipment like this, and I'm so thankful that I'm able to do it today. Okay, here we go. Cold start. John Deere 210 excavator with a thumb. Will it start? Yeah, like a champion. Heater on, let it warm up some of the hydraulics, and away we go. All right, let's go for a hike. Take a hike, kid. Wow, I'm thinking I didn't gear up or wear enough to do this endeavor. All right, in the skid steer, turn the key on, glow plugs were glowing. Hopefully it'll start. If not, I gotta walk back home in this weather. Oh shoot. That doesn't sound like it's gonna go. Battery is low. Is it gonna go? Will it start? Let's let this warm up for just 1 minute. I'll run you through the controls here real quick. I'll get into more details probably a little bit later. The first thing you want to do with this lever right here, this disengages all the controls, so nothing will happen. But once you engage that lever right there, it will start to do things. All right, what we're going to do is idle up like that, and I have it set in the computer here that it'll automatically idle down, but as soon as I run a lever, it will idle right back up. Okay, to control the thumb, what you needed to do here is press that button. That button needs to be turned on, and then this is how you work the thumb. Just like that. And this is a progressive thumb. where it can fold almost pretty much all the way around and get a pretty tight grip. We have some ice in the bucket. What I'm doing here now. I should also mention here real quick that there's two types of control patterns. There's backhoe control pattern, which is what I grew up with and learned, so that's what I have it set at. And there's also excavator control pattern, and it changes just a few things how you run these joysticks, but I believe I have it on backhoe setting right here right now. So this is out and in, and then this stick over here rotates and then is up and down for the main boom. Oh, and then that's your horn right there. Most important button right there. Okay, also, this is how you drive it. I'll line up over here. You can either put your hands on these sticks like this or run with your feet. And that will go forward. And then when I go back on my heels, that will go backwards. All right, that's a crash course rundown on how to run this excavator partway. Oh, and I have two gears, two speeds. I have a turtle and a rabbit for walking the machine. So if you're under heavy duty conditions, you want to be on rabbit slow, but if you're bombing across the field, go ahead and turn it on high gear and you can really move the mail. Here we go. All right, I have been working here for about an hour now, and time to go home for lunch. I'm gonna go down this steep downgrade. I'm not sure if this is a good idea or not. I will put my seatbelt on, but and hopefully I can use the arm to keep me from tipping over. So let's try this out and see if this is a good idea. So far, so good. We are going to reach the tipping point. Starting to go. It's frozen. I hope I don't slide down the hill. Tipping point engaged. Turn that beeping alarm off so we can focus. Going downhill, looking good, feeling good. Run over that tree. Sliding a little bit. Yeah, fantastic. Excellent job. We did it. Let me show you kind of a quick and easy, well, this is going to work pretty good here. I want to show you kind of a quick and easy way to turn if you need to. Well, I'll probably do that at some other point. I'm going to set this up and burn all of these trees probably. So what we'll do is just consolidate them in a nice big pile. And let them go after I get a burn permit. point. Wonderful to be in with a heater. Just taking out this tree line, running in reverse, full speed. There we go. Got a bunch of debris in the way. I probably need to bring the skid steer down here, scoop some of this stuff out of the way. I'm trying to take what loads I can. While knocking down some of this stuff. Decent amount. And then we'll just drag it on the floor here. See if we can scoop up, or sweep up, I should say, some other pieces, staying away from the fence. This is how you make a makeshift broom. Oh, look out for that post! Missed a piece, but we will run it over and crush it. Easier to pick up next go around. Hopefully. Continue tearing out. Ah! I'm backwards. Got to go back in reverse. There we go. Hard to keep track of what direction you're facing. Don't want to pull these trees down on me. So, try to knock them this way and that. There we go. That is a nice big tree right there. Try to get a nice good bite. There. Is that too heavy? Dump it. Try to knock some dirt off that root ball. Root ball. Very powerful machine here. Love it. Let's go haul this down to the pile. Back up here. Get that limb out of the way. Might do is just bring loader down here and use it like a bulldozer. Got the rest of all of this stuff. Lights here.